Hi. Hi, welcome to Master of None. This is Utkan. On this video, I want to answer some of the questions nobody asked. So, first question nobody asked is, why don't you upload more content? The answer to that is, I had a full-time job, wife, 2 teenage kids, and very busy schedule. Second question is, what is this channel about? So this channel is about making things that I need, fixing things I have around the house or friends gave me, and put those stuff on the internet so it will help people get inspired, maybe make something of their own, or fix something they were gonna throw out. Next question is, what's your plans on the new year? My plans for the new year, since I'm no longer employed for the man, I would like to make more things and create videos about them. Now that's out of the way, I need your help. With the channel's painfully slow growth, I do get discouraged. I do get discouraged to make videos. I do get discouraged to make things and enjoy making them. If you're a maker who makes content and put it on the internet, please send me an encouraging message telling me to make more and have fun pronouncing my name. Send me a shout out on one of your videos or social media of your choice. And to all watching my videos, commenting, liking, sharing, following me on social media, thank you.